Good morning. Welcome to Share Market Mike. Thank you for your time. In today's video, we will talk about Anil Ambani's Reliance Home Finance Limited company being taken over by another company. Reliance Home Finance Company comes under Reliance Capital. Any benefit to Reliance Home Finance also benefits Reliance Capital. Both the companies are heavily debt ridden, and there is a buyer now coming in for Reliance Home Finance. Before proceeding any further, if you like our videos, kindly support us by hitting the like, subscribe and share button. Reliance Home Finance Limited is heavily debt ridden and it was going towards insolvency. There was a committee of creditors formed and the lead was Bank of Baroda. They had floated expression of interest and now seems to be a buyer coming in. Autumn Investment and Infrastructure Limited seems to be the highest bidder that is coming in. So they may be taking over Reliance Home Finance Limited. The initial approval from the Committee of Creditors is given to Autumn Investment and Infrastructure Limited. Yesterday, Autumn Investment and Infrastructure Limited hit the upper circuit of 2%. Even Reliance Home Finance Limited went up yesterday, hit the upper circuit of 5%. As per the resolution plan submitted by Autumn, it looks like 2,911 crores would be paid to the creditors. So the creditors are happy with that. They are taking a haircut of almost 60%, but we are not sure what would happen to the shareholders. Will the stock continue to be listed in the stock exchange or will it get delisted? If it gets delisted, will the shareholders get anything from the new buyer? That question needs to be answered. As of now, that is still an open question. This is only the initial or the first approval that the company has received. Still, there are some more approvals like shareholder approvals and other regulatory approvals that the company has to get in order to proceed further. As of now, it looks like Reliance Home Finance Limited has found out a buyer in the form of Autumn Investment and Infrastructure Limited who is willing to pay around 2,911 crores to the creditors. Reliance Capital, who is the actual owner of the Reliance Home Finance Limited, may also benefit by this transaction. They are also heavily debt ridden. So, through this transaction, their debt may come down by around 25%. Very recently, we saw some of the highly popular brands being taken over by other companies. For example, Videocon Industries was taken over by Vedanta Group's company Twinstar. They provided a resolution plan and they got the approvals. Here, an interesting point to be noted is Videocon Industries is now delisted and the shareholders were not paid anything. So the shareholders did not get anything from Vedanta Group's Twinstar company in this takeover. Similarly, DHFL takeover was done by Piramal Enterprises. The resolution plan from Piramal Enterprises for DHFL was also limited to the creditors alone and the shareholders did not receive anything. The shareholders are now planning to take this fight to the courts. So Reliance Home Finance getting a new buyer is a good news, but still we have to wait and see what is the shareholder of Reliance Home Finance going to get from this transaction. We shall wait and watch. Thank you for your time. If you like our videos, kindly support us by hitting the like, subscribe and share button. Thank you.